Do you want to know how you can log into your Oasis Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Oasis Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Now go to the search bar to search for Oasis Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Oasis. You can see that it is Paychecks and you can see that you are welcome to the Oasis Employee Services website. This is the official login portal of Oasis Payroll. What you need to do now is write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go ahead and go to this password option and type down your password. Make sure that your login ID and your password matches the Oasis Payroll account which you have, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Oasis Payroll account. If you need any type of help in logging in, click on this link and you can see that you can choose options like forgot username, forgot password, and there is an option of both. So go ahead and click on which you want and then you can reset your password or your username and log into your Oasis Payroll account once again. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, click on sign up. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.